Myself Ranjita, working as Assistant Professor in Information Technology in K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Today we are going to see list, tuples, set, dictionary in Python programming. First we will see what is a Python collection. In Python collection we are going to see about list, tuples, set, dictionaries. These are the four types of the collections in Python. First, list is a collection which is ordered and changeable, and it allows the duplicates value where we can use the repeated values inside the list, and while executing the program in list it will come in certain sequence, but in the set it is not in that format. While we are running it will change according to that randomly, and it will display the random output while it is running. Then tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, and it allows the duplicate members. I will explain it one by one in the next slide. Next is a set. It is a collection which is an unordered, unchangeable and unindexed, and it does not allow the duplicate members. Then dictionary is a collection which is an ordered, unchangeable, and it has no duplicate members. First we will see about the list. As I said earlier, list is a ordered and then changeable, and then it allows the duplicates value. List is list is used to store the multiple items in a variable. List, set, dictionary and tuples. These four collections are mainly used to store the multiple values in multiple items inside a single variable. This is the simple example program. So here we have created this list. So inside the list we have given apple, banana, cherry and then apple. While we are executing this simple list program, so we will get the output as apple, banana, cherry and then apple. So here they allowed the duplicate values as apple. So here we have given 2 times apple, so it allowed the duplicate value, and then the order of the list that doesn't change. So they are meaning that the lists are ordered and it is changeable, and it allows the duplicate value. Then we can insert. Changeable means we can insert values, we can remove value, and we can update the value inside the list. So using append command we are going to add the orange inside the list. So see the last example here. In the list apple, banana and cherry, we are going to append orange here. So while we are executing these statements, we can see the output here. The orange is included at the last portion of the list. So next one is the insert command. So using the insert command also we can insert the values into the list by using the position values. So see this example, here we have using the insert command. So using that, first one is the 1, so in the orange is placed at the first position in the list command. So in the Python, indexing starts from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So first 0 goes to apple, then 1 goes to orange, 2 goes to banana, and then 3 goes to cherry. So we have given here the first position. So after we are inserting the orange in the first position of the list, so we will get this as a output. So 0 is apple, 1 is orange, 2 is banana, and then 3 is cherry. Then next one is the extending list. Using the extend command we can also we can merge the two lists. So using the extend command, here we are going to include the tropical list into this list. So while we are executing this extend list program, we are getting output like this: apple, banana, cherry, and then mango, pineapple, and then papaya. Then last one is the removing specified items. Using the remove command we can remove the specified item inside the list. So while running this program, the banana inside the list is removed already. So next one, using the pop command you can remove the element using that position. So here the first position goes to banana. So while we are running that remove program, we have given the number as 1. So it remove the banana and it print as apple and cherry. Without specifying the indexing value also, we can remove the value using the pop command. So it will remove the value at the end of the list. That is, while in this second program we didn't give any indexing value near the pop command, so it will remove the last element inside the list. So it will automatically remove the cherry and it will give the output as apple and banana. Then last one is the clearing list. So if we have given the clear command, it will clear the empty, it will clear all the element inside the list and it will print as the empty list while we are printing. Next we are going to see is the tuples. The main difference between tuples and then list is in the list we will use the square bracket. In tuple we are using the round bracket, and mainly list and then tuple both are used to store the multiple items inside a single variable. So a tuple is a collection which is an order and then unchangeable. So we can't directly add or remove items inside the tuples, but we can do these operations in the list. So this is the main difference in the tuples and then list. Mainly tuples are written inside the round bracket. The tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and then it allows the duplicate values. So let's see this simple example. Here X is a tuple. Inside the tuple we have given as apple, banana, and then cherry. So in while we are running the program, the order list does not change as like the list here, but we can't directly add or remove any item inside the tuple. So instead of that, we are going to now we are going to change the tuple as a list, and then again we are adding an item into the list, and then again we are converting list into the tuple. So so let's see this example. X is apple, banana, and then cherry. This is the tuple. Now we are going to convert this tuple into a list using the list and saving that value into the variable y. So y equal to list of x. So now the tuple is converted into a list. Again inside the list we are going to add a kiwi fruit in the position of indexing 1. So now the inside the list the value kiwi is inserted between the apple and banana. So again the tuple list is converted into tuple, and then we are printing the value. So this is the output of the program. Next one is the same thing. While we are going to removing also, we want to convert tuple into a list, again list into tuple. So because in the same thing we can't directly add or remove any items inside the tuples. So using the list we are going to add or remove. So this is the second example to remove the items. So see here again we are this tuple is a tuple program, then we are converting that into a list and then removing the value apple, and then we are again converting list into the tuple and we are going to print. So this is the output of this. Then new concept in tuple is packing and then unpacking. Packing is the thing directly we are creating, then unpacking means we are going to extract the values back into the variable. So if we are going to print green, it will give print the value of green, it will give it as an apple. If we print yellow, it will give it as a banana, and if we print red, it will give it as a cherry. Next one is the set. Set is a collection which is of unordered, unchangeable, and then unindexing. In list and tuple we have seen that there are certain indexing value, but in set we doesn't have any indexing because while we are running the program it will generate the output randomly. So this is the sample program, apple, banana, cherry. Inside the set we have given a apple, banana, and then cherry. While we are running for the first time, it will print as cherry, banana, apple. If we run the same code again, it will reshuffle the items inside the set and it will print as banana, apple, cherry. Okay, this is the main difference between the list, tuple, and then set. The set list is unordered. It means the item appear in a random order. So while we are refreshing the page also, the order given inside the set will be shuffled randomly. So see here, it does not allow the duplicates value. If suppose we have entered any duplicates value, it will remove automatically. This is the example, last one is the example program for that one. Duplicate values will be ignored automatically. So here inside that list set we have given as apple, banana, cherry, and then apple again. While we are running this program, it will print only the it will remove the duplicate values and it will print as banana, apple, and then cherry. So next one is the dictionaries. The main different among these three things in dictionary is, here we have using the key and then value, set of pair. Key and then value is a set of pair here, and then a dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and it does not allow any duplicates. Dictionaries are written in certain format, that is, here you see the first example here, brand is the key and then Ford is the value, and then model is the key, and then that Mustang is the value, and then year is the key, and then 1964 is the model. So using the key value we can print some specific value. While we are printing this one, we will get output like this one, that is brand, Ford, model, that one. If we want some specific value means also we can get it using the key value. See the last example, last program, you see this, where we want to know only the brand of that dictionary. So we have given us brand, so it will give the output as Ford. So this one is to, we can update the values in dictionaries using the change command. So you see here, in this first program we have given us this dictionary of year equal to 2018. In the main dictionary we have given us year as 1964. Now we are going to update the year as 2018. So it will update and it will print the value as 2018 here. So next one is also the updating dictionary. We can update we can update also using the both key and then value using the update command. So there we have directly update the value using the year, that is key value. Here we have updated using the update command. This is the main difference between the. Okay, thank you for watching the video.